Hello, in this chapter, let's get to know layers, which are a very important tool.
I would like to emphasize that everyone has to learn how to use layers.
You can access layers by clicking the top right icon of two squares.
Go in and press the plus to add a layer. Then come back to create a simple circle. Then add the layer one more time. And change the color, then create another circle. Add one more layer and create a circle, a different color. You can see that now we have all three circles. Each circle is in a different layer. Let's try to switch their places. Try to bring the top to the bottom and the bottom to the top. You will see that the overlap will follow the order of the layers, which will allow us to draw overlapping images without actually having to draw over it. Then try to mark and unmark the checkbox, which gives us the option to not see some layers, without having to actually delete it.
Knowing how to hide and reveal each layer,
and then properly using the layer sequence just makes everything more convenient. And helps a lot when we make mistakes. Because if we draw everything on one layer and something goes wrong, we have to fix the entire piece.
As long as we separate the objects to layers, it's so much easier to apply fixes at any time.
No matter what problems anyone will encounter, such as not being able to draw, or if there's a strange object on the screen that we are unable to delete, firstly check the layer to see whether we did it in the correct one or not. And then check the layer for that object. Which layer is it located in? If anyone sees a black screen like this, it means that you're working in the hidden layer. First tap the checkbox and now you can continue to work. Now we have a rough idea about the layer tool. In the next chapter, let's look at the technique for layering.